Heavy rain and flooding continue across eastern New South Wales today as a low pressure system lingers off the east coast. Now, in the overnight period, we've seen widespread showers and thunderstorms across eastern New South Wales, mainly impacting the mid-north coast and the Hunter districts. We've also seen a low pressure system developing, then deepening off the east coast. And it's this weather system that is likely to draw in strong winds and high moisture levels from out over the ocean, feeding them in against the New South Wales coast today and helping to bring about those heavy falls that could lead to flash flooding. In the 24 hours to 9 o'clock this morning, we've seen a widespread 50 to 100 millimetres across the mid-north coast, parts of the northern rivers and Hunter as well. The top rainfall total in that period was 154 millimetres at Turners Flat. We've also seen some moderate to locally high falls a little bit further south, including 42 millimetres at Newcastle and around 54 millimetres in the Sydney suburb of Randwick. A severe weather warning is still current for much of the Hunter and southern parts of the mid-north coast for heavy rainfall. It's these areas which are most likely to see the 6-hourly rainfall rates reaching 50 to 100 millimetres over the coming hours. That's a lot of rain to fall in a short space of time and is likely to lead to flash flooding in some of these areas. Damaging winds are also possible, mostly along the coastal fringe where those strong winds are wrapping around the low. So how will it play out through the course of today? Well, the low pressure system is expected to linger off the east coast, helping to generate widespread showers, thunderstorms and rain areas through eastern New South Wales. Severe thunderstorms are possible, most likely today across southern parts of the mid-north coast, the Hunter and the central coast. Now, exactly where those storms develop will be determined by where this low pressure system moves, but these areas are most likely to see that enhanced rainfall that comes from severe thunderstorms. Where we see them developing, we will be issuing severe thunderstorm warnings, so make sure to keep an eye on our website through the course of today. We can also see strong winds wrapping around this low pressure system. They are likely to generate some large waves and potentially dangerous surf across parts of the central and mid-north coast through the course of today, going into early tomorrow. So make sure if you're heading to the beach, as well as the rain, be aware of this surf risk for the next couple of days. As we move through this evening, we're likely to see the low pressure system gradually pulling away from the east coast of New South Wales. That means the risk of heavy rain will ease into this evening and overnight. We'll still see showers through the east, but they're less likely to bring those heavy falls and the flash flooding. The main risks we're concerned with today are, of course, that flash flooding risk that could lead to dangerous driving conditions or produce localised inundation. When a lot of rain falls in a short space of time, our drainage systems can't carry it away quickly enough. This is particularly of concern today on the last day of a long weekend when many people will be travelling home from a weekend away. Strong winds may also bring about damage to crops, property and vegetation, especially where they combine with that heavy rain. We're already starting to see our rivers responding to the rainfall that's coming into the systems. We've got a moderate flood warning in place for the Nambucca River, a number of minor flood warnings for other river catchments across the mid-north coast. Over the next couple of days, we may see further river rises and several other catchments upgraded into flood warnings. We have a flood watch current for large parts of the mid-north coast, pushing down towards the central coast as well. Now, these flood watch and warning areas may change through the course of today as we see where that rain is falling and where the thunderstorms bring the heaviest rainfall totals. As we move into tomorrow, we're likely to see the low pressure system moving even further away from the New South Wales coast. So a showery day is on the way for New South Wales tomorrow, for eastern New South Wales I should say, but the rainfall totals we're looking at are much lower than what we're expecting today. As this situation unfolds, it is crucial to keep on top of the latest forecasts and warnings via the Bureau's website, the BOM weather app and via our social media. Stay safe and we'll catch you in the next update.